Hey, what's up, guys? The Gangster Jeweler here. So today we're going to be working on a piece that's a little unique. It's kind of like a lion head. Now, I explained to the store beforehand that there was a stone missing right on the nose, right there. They didn't want it replaced, so we're not going to do that. Now, we have two options that we could do with this. Where it's broke at, you could make this movable because these links are movable, or you can seize them together. Now, to make them movable costs more, so this particular store, they usually, I'm not going to name the store just because they like to go the cheaper route. We're going to be seizing it because it's cheaper for them, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're not going to be making it movable. Hopefully I'll get one where we can make it movable, but they want it just seized together, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to seize this bad boy together. But yeah, making them movable costs more just because it takes a lot more time to do that. Pin and drill. You veteran guys know what pin and drill is. Those of you guys that are new probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But pin and drill, at least that's what we call it here in Florida. I don't know if that's a nationwide thing, but it might be. What we're going to do is we're just going to get this together how we had it. If I can get it together. Let's see if it'll stay together. No. Well, this is going to be this ought to be interesting. Okay, there we go. All right. So we got that thing together. Now, like I said, we're not making it movable. They don't want it, you know. I usually go the cheapest route, so that's the way we're going. But hopefully at some point I will get a damn it, man, I done already lost my spot. Get a pin and drill that we can film. And we're going to switch to a 4 tip on this. I'm going to use a 4. Oh. You don't need a real big flame. Let's go ahead and burn that off. Then I gotta freaking figure out which one. On a lot of these bracelets, what you need to do when you put it together, you need to put something where it's at, where you put it together, so you know exactly where it's at, because otherwise you lose track of it, just like I did. Let's see, now we got to try to separate this thing. There we go. All right. All right, let's look for something small that we could put right there. You just want to put something next to it to mark it so you know where it was put together at. Because otherwise you'll lose track, just like I did. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and cut us. We might need a couple pieces of solder, but we're going to cut one for the moment. We may end up needing 2 pieces. And let's get us some flux here. Put on there. All right. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in here. Let's grab our solder. And you want to use the right color solder for what you're working on. So we're using yellow hard solder. And preferably the right carat as well. Yeah, I would have rather made this movable, but I always give them the option, you know, because pin and drill is going to cost more. So, you know, I say, hey, you know, you can either pin and drill it, this is what it's going to cost to make it movable again, or you can just seize it together, whichever you prefer. And I just do whatever they say, you know what I mean? We got to adjust our flame here a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. And remember, we're using a 4-tip. On bracelets, especially hollow bracelets and chains, you don't want to go at it with anything bigger than a 4. I would use a 3 or 4 max. You go into a bracelet or something, unless it's a really big, thick bracelet with a 5 or even a 6, especially if it's hollow, boy, you're gonna melt that thing in a hurry. Damn, this thing's get a little bit bigger flame. It's always better to start out small and get bigger than be too big and burn it up. So if you're starting out, always start with a smaller flame than you need. Because you don't want to go in at it too big. And this thing is, that didn't go where we wanted it. Let's go ahead and cut us another piece here. Because that definitely did not go where we wanted it to. It did not. There we go. There we go. That looks good. That should work. Let's go ahead and drop that in the water there. Let's go ahead and let me zoom you guys out so we can take a look at what we got. Yep. Nice and solid. See, now why I would have wanted to make this movable is because now you got, so you got this one section here, it's a little stiff. See that? But like I said, I give them the option. You know, the pin and drill does cost more, so if they want a pin and drill, we'll do it. But I give them the option to seize as well. It's cheaper. But that won't hinder it for right now. But see, if it broke anywhere else and they kept seizing it instead of making them movable, then eventually it would just get too stiff. But right now there's still a lot of flexibility in that, so that will work. So let's go ahead and clean. Let's just use our silicone wheel, kind of clean this up a little bit. Alright guys, so we got our piece seized, welded together there. Like I said, I would have rather made it movable, but they would like to go the cheaper route, and we still got flexibility there. So, but like I said, later on if it breaks again, like you wouldn't want to seize it again here and then seize it again here, because then it'd be too stiff. But got a lot of flexibility right now, so. And hopefully I'll get a pin and drill at some point that I can show you guys how to make links like this movable. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in ultrasound and go polish it up, and we'll come back and look at the finished product, guys. And like I said, that stone was already missing. I showed that to them, but they don't want it replaced. So at any rate, let me go drop it in ultrasound and polish it up, and we'll come back and look at the finished product, guys. Be right back. Alright guys, we're back with that bracelet. You can see we got it nice, cleaned and polished. Got it looking good. Like I said, we still got that stone missing in the nose, but they don't want that replaced. And we got it together. We had to seize it because they wanted to go the cheaper route, but that's not a biggie. We still got a lot of flexibility in this thing, so hopefully, like I said, hopefully we'll get a pin and drill here where we can where I can film a pin and drill, because I haven't really had the opportunity to do that yet on this channel. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. It was a fairly simple fix. Seizing it is the cheaper and also the quicker way. But like I said, I like to pin and drill preferably when I can, but I give them the option, you know, because pin and drill does cost more. So, but at any rate, guys, this is the Gangsta Jeweler. If you'd like to have me do your repairs, you can visit my Etsy shop. I'll have the link for that down in the description. Also, if you'd like to leave a tip or donation, I'll have the link for that down in the description as well. Although it's not really required. Just kind of helps the channel grow and show some love. Also, if you would, if you're looking to buy jewelry in the Jacksonville area, I highly recommend Money Miser on Blanding Boulevard. And if not them, I recommend, if you're looking to buy jewelry online, I recommend Stellar Jewelry, which I'll have a link for that down in the description. Also, if you'd like to check out my Kick live stream, it's more of a reaction channel type stream. I'll have that down in the description. And also my other YouTube channel, I also stream their live reaction channel there. So you can catch me on Kick or YouTube live on that particular channel. I'll have the links for those down in the description. But other than that, I think I about covered everything. But this is a pretty nice little piece. I don't know if it's something I'd wear every day, but it is nice. But at any rate, this is the Gangsta Jeweler. I appreciate you guys watching, sticking with me. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Take care, y'all.